BibiZoneTV. Let's start our magical ABC adventure.
M letter.
Magical! It's the letter M. M is for mouse. Big M, small m. M, mouse. So tiny and quick. Can you squeak like a little mouse? Let's say it together. M, mouse. That was cute.
N letter.
Next up is the letter N. N is for newt. Big N, small n. N, newt. A cool little lizard. Can you crawl like a newt? Wiggle, wiggle. Say it with me. N, newt. Nice job.
O letter.
Open your eyes for the letter O. O is for octopus. Big O, small o. O, octopus, with 8 wriggly arms. Can you wiggle your arms like an octopus? That's super fun. Say it out loud. O, octopus. Outstanding. Perfect.
P letter.
Now it's the letter P. P is for pear. Big P, small p. P, pear. So sweet and juicy. Can you pretend to take a bite? Munch, munch. Let's say it together. P, pear. Yay! You're learning so fast.
Q letter.
Quick, look, it's the letter Q. Q is for queen. Big Q, small q. Q, queen. She wears a shiny crown. Can you wave like a queen or a king? Let's say it together. Q, queen. Quite royal. Yay! That was so much fun learning our letters. Want to see what letters come next? Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next ABC adventure. Bye!